Regarding the long-pending border issues, Shri Metbah informed that he has had a talk with the Assam Chief Minister, who gave the assurance that he will take up the matter at the earliest and do his best to maintain peace and order for the people in the border areas of both the states.
Well, in fact, after he has taken over as the Chief Minister of Assam, he's a new person who has taken the chair. So I gave a call to congratulate him and give him good wishes for the new assignment as the Chief Minister of Assam. And in that process of conversation with me, he requested me, he said, why don't you come over for a breakfast to Guwahati. So as I had time yesterday in the morning, so I pressed down and went to greet him after he has been elected as a Chief Minister, and join him for the breakfast. That's all. Well, you know, when we meet, definitely we will talk. And we did discuss about a few things, and we did discuss about this long pending issue. Problem which is going on for the last 40, 50 years now, which is everybody, they're looking forward to see which government can solve this problem once and for all. So I did express from my side my serious concern about the issues which has come out from time to time, which is reported in the media about those people who are at the, living in the boundaries. So he is very, very concerned. He expressed his real concern about this issue, and he assured that we're going to take up this one at a very, very fast pace to see that at least people from both the states are happy at the end of the day to sort out all these pending issues which it comes to.